Hi, Winder class. This is how you're going to get to this new platform, McGraw Hill, for the math assessment. The first thing you have to do is go to the digital textbooks. So this is the Cobb County website. Go to digital textbooks under parent resources. And you're going to click on third grade to fifth grade, and you want this first math thing, McGraw Hill Math for fifth grade, right there. And then you're going to log in using your 365 account. And so after you have done that, you will be you'll have to choose your fifth grade math book. I think it'll be the only thing there for you, but I'm not sure. So you should see this first, Student Center. You're going to go over here to you can see down here where it says homework, a spiral review. That's what you're going to see, but you can't access it. I can't access it from here. So I go to the menu and I go to this tab that says homework. And I click on that. Do nothing. Do later. One thing is due later, and that's the assignment that I have assigned to you. It's called Spiral Review. This is just a tester. We're going to test out this program using this Spiral Review, and you click on that. And then it tells you to click on the image to get started, and then you sign on, and are you ready to begin, and you say yes. That is how you're going to get to McGraw online assessment. If you have any trouble, please email me or come to a Zoom meeting and I'll walk you through it.